Experiencing FaceTime issues on Spectrum Mobile? It often boils down to iMessage activation or network settings. First, ensure iMessage is activated with your Apple ID in Settings Messages. FaceTime relies on iMessage, so both must be enabled. Next, check your cellular data connection. While FaceTime prefers Wi-Fi, it can use cellular if Wi-Fi calling is enabled under Settings, Phone, Wi-Fi calling. Spectrum Mobile, operating on Verizon's network, supports Wi-Fi calling on compatible iPhones. A common pitfall is incorrect APN settings. Spectrum's APN should be broadband or auto-configured. If problems persist, try simple fixes. Restart your iPhone, toggle airplane mode on and off, or reset network settings. Finally, confirm you have a data plan that supports video calls. Limited or throttled plans can hinder FaceTime performance. If basic troubleshooting doesn't solve the issue, consider these advanced fixes. Check for carrier updates in Settings, General, About. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version, as updates often include stability improvements. If you're still facing problems, contact Spectrum Mobile support to verify your account and data settings. Keep an eye on future trends impacting FaceTime. Spectrum Mobile's adoption of Verizon's 5G ultra-wideband network has improved FaceTime reliability in many areas. While Apple is pushing for RCS compatibility, potentially impacting iMessage, FaceTime remains iOS exclusive. Rumors suggest Apple may integrate FaceTime with satellite connectivity in the future, improving coverage in rural areas. Spectrum Mobile may also introduce FaceTime-optimized plans prioritizing video traffic. Stay informed about these developments to anticipate and address potential issues.